Letter A. We will first learn the short sound of the letter A, which is A, as in apple. Notice that I'm dropping my jaw pretty far when I pronounce A. This is to help your students differentiate in sounds. Vowel sounds often sound alike, and it's difficult for kids to differentiate these sounds, so using your mouth will help them to see as well as hear what the sound is. The long sound for letter A is simply its name, A. That is how you'll pronounce it. A and A. These are vibrating sounds or voice sounds. You can feel them when you put your hand on your neck.